In this video, we are discussing exercise number 4.4, question number 2. Construct the quadrilateral TRUE with length TR equal to 3.5 cm, RU is equals to 3 cm, UE is equals to 4 cm, and the two angles, angle R equals to 75 degree, angle U equals to 120 degree. Here, three sides and two angles are given to us. We know that to construct a quadrilateral, 5 independent measurements are required. Here, 5 measurements are given to us: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can construct the quadrilateral. We draw a rough sketch as usual to get an idea of how we can start off. Then we can devise a plan to locate the 4 points. Here the 4 vertices are there. 4 points means 4 vertices. Let me draw the rough sketch of this figure. First, baseline. Let us go with the baseline. Okay, I can select TR as baseline. TR equal to 3.5 centimeter. So I am going with the TR is equal to TR length. TR length is 3.5 centimeter. Whenever in the question, if we have angles, after constructing the baseline, we have to go to angles only. We can construct on the line segment TR, angle T as well as angle R. Here, angle T is not given, angle R is given. Angle R is 75 degree. 75 degree is acute angle. At R, you have to construct 75 degree. So rough sketch only we are drawing. So it will be less than 90. So you can draw, this is the 75 degree angle at R. After that, RU length is 3 centimeter. Then you can think that R to U length might be 3 centimeter. U point will be somewhere on this. You think that the point is here U. So RU length is how many centimeter? 3 centimeter. Next, UE. E will be somewhere here. So you cannot construct UE 4 centimeter directly. At U, angle 120 degree is there. 120 degree means more than 90. Let us draw 120 degree will be like this. So here 120 degree. At U 120 degree is there. 120 degree. UE length is 4 centimeter. You feel this as UE length is 4 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We used all the measurements. Then you have to join this E to T. Now this is the quadrilateral TRUE rough sketch. Now we have learned how to draw a rough sketch. By using this rough sketch, I am going to draw the main figure. First, what we have done, TR length is 3.5 centimeter. First, we have to draw a baseline. The baseline length is 3.5 centimeter. We have to draw 3.5 centimeter line segment. You are drawing with the help of ruler. 3.5 centimeter. After that, you mark this point as T and this point as R. The length is 3.5 centimeter. Whenever you have angle in the question, after constructing the baseline, we have to go to angle only. Here, TR is the line segment. On TR, you can construct angle T as well as angle R. In the question, angle T is not given, angle R is given. So at R, the angle will be 75 degree. So for this, you have to utilize protractor. 75 degree at R, you have to construct. To construct that, first you should adjust the protractor center point with R, and the 0, 0 line of the protractor must coincide with the TR. So like this you have to adjust. After the adjustment, you have to search for 75 degree where it will be there. So 75 is acute angle less than 90. 70 and 80 in between you can find this. So this represents 75 degree. So that take the scale and from R you have to join this marked point and you are drawing a ray so that you can extend it. So give the name as Rx ray. So we are drawing a ray Rx such that angle TRX is 75 degree. Next you wanted to construct RU line segment length is 3 centimeter. So by using compass you can construct 3 centimeter. So take the compass and on compass you have to take 3 centimeter radius, 3 centimeter. Adjust the compass with the 3 centimeter radius. After adjustment, take it out. RU length is 3 centimeter. RU. So you don't know U point. You should place the pointer of the compass at R since RU length is 3 centimeter. So taking R as center and how much radius we have selected 3 centimeter as radius, you have to draw an arc. This arc is intersecting Rx ray at one point. Say this point as U. Since RU length is 3 centimeter, whether it is correct or not checking process. Once you can take the ruler and check the length of this line segment RU is exactly it is 3 centimeter. After locating point U, at U you have to construct 120 degree since angle U is 120 degree. For that you need to take protractor, adjust the protractor at point U, at point U. This is U point. So protractor center point should be coincide with U and the 0, 0 line of the protractor should coincide with RU. Like this you have to adjust. After the adjustment we have to search for 120 degree. Here it will be 100, 110 and 120 degree. We are going to construct near 120. You mark a point. After marking the point, what you have to do, take the ruler and join these points. U point and this marked point, you can join it. You are constructing a ray. You are constructing a ray by joining these points. You give the name as UY ray. UY ray at U angle is 120 degree. At U are constructing a ray UY such that angle RUY is equals to 120 degree. Next you have to locate E point. T is located, R, U. 3 are located, E point is required. Here UE length is 4 centimeter it was given. To construct 4 centimeter we have to take the help of ruler as well as compass. 4 centimeter. So 4 centimeter radius you have to select on compass. On compass we are selecting 4 centimeter radius. Adjust the compass like this. After that UE length is 4 centimeter. E point you don't know. You know U point. So at U you place the pointer of the compass and cut the ray UY. And this ray is intersecting UY ray at one point. Say this point as E such that UE length is 4 centimeter. So you can write the length of UE as 4 centimeter. After locating point E, we have to take the help of ruler and join ET. This T point as well as E point you have to join. After joining, you got a quadrilateral TRUE. This is the required quadrilateral.